Let's now go across to Somit. Auto sales are in focus tomorrow. It will be the first month where you will look at the proper festive season coming in together. Somit is now with us to tell us what to expect across auto segment.
Well, firstly, from two-wheelers, if you see on a month-on-month basis, the sales numbers are expected to be lower, but on a YOY basis, Eicher and TVS Motor are expected to report growth. Now, for growth for Eicher Motor is much higher because of the Hunter launch, and analysts are suggesting, or the channel checks are suggesting, that Hunter now waiting period is around 15 to 20 days, and now it contributes nearly 30 to 35% of the total Royal Enfield sales. Along with this, if you compare it with the pre-COVID levels, the auto sales number, Hero and Bajaj are still seeing sales are down by nearly 15%, while for other two the sales are higher by nearly 10 to 13%, that is Eicher and TVS. And for Eicher and TVS specifically, if you see, it will be the first ever increase over 2019, that is since the start of a slowdown that we had seen. Now for in the passenger vehicle segment, if you see, we are seeing a strong growth on a YY basis owing to strong festive demand, large order book and a production ramp up. However, on a month-on-month basis, it's only Tata Motors that is seeing a higher sales in the month of October. Now, vehicle discounts have also increased on a month-on-month basis, but they continue to remain significantly lower than the elevated levels that we had seen in the past, and that is what the analysts have gathered from the channel check. Now, for the commercial vehicle segment, if you see, the sales number are expected to be lower on a month-on-month basis, and on a YY basis, only Eicher and Ashok Leyland are seeing a higher number. Now, Ashok Leyland continues to remain an outperformer. That is what the channel checks are suggesting, and this is on the back of favorable mix and aggressive marketing efforts taken up by the company. On the tractor segment, if you see, lastly, weak numbers are expected to come in on a month-on-month basis and on a YOY basis. And compared to pre-COVID level sales, if you see, Escort sales are seen near 11% lower, while for Mahindra and Mahindra sales are only higher by around 2%, that is compared to pre-COVID levels. Now, the reason behind this lower volumes is because of inventory destocking done by the dealer side. That is what the channel checks are suggesting. To sum it up, on a month-on-month basis, we would see some slowdown, but on a YOY basis, the numbers are strong except for the tractor segment.